Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to add call to actions to your Loom videos. So here are the steps to add call to actions to your Loom videos. The first thing to do is to record a video using the Loom desktop app. I'm just going to double click the Loom desktop app and it's going to take me to the Loom interface. So from here, I'm just going to record. I don't want to record with a camera. I don't want to record with a microphone. If you want to do that, just click on this no camera and turn on the camera selector, or click on no microphone to select the microphone for you. But I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to click on start recording just quickly. I don't want to unmute. So I'm just going to click on continue to start recording. And you have the timer that just pops showing that it's going to start recording soon. And here we go. I have started recording. So I just want this to be 3 seconds. Okay, 4 or 5 seconds. Okay, so click on the stop button in here, and that's going to take you to the video page editor. In the video page, or on the video page, I'm going to show you what to do to add your call to action. So from here, let's say you have named your video in here. After naming your video, I just want to scroll all the way down and focus on the right corner of my screen where you have edit. So click on the edit tab that is here. You have edit, activity, transcript, views, and settings. Click on edit. Now right under edit where you have edit your video and add a link, click on add a link, and that takes you here. So in this Loom video editor where you have to add your link, so add the link button. Okay, so here you're gonna add the link so add the link you want the viewers to be directed to when they click the CTA button. Add the link, copy and paste the URL. Then here we have button text. You have to add or enter the text you want to display, like visit my website or sign up now. And you also have to add the bottom location. All right, either bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right. You can choose any of these options, and you can choose the button color, which is here, and the text color. You can also choose the button color style, and you can check this box that says only show at the end of the video, or you can just leave it to show throughout the video. Now once you're done filling out all of this information, go ahead and click on the save button. So customize the CTA and preview how it looks by playing the video. Okay, and once you do that, the CTA button will appear at a designated point in the video based on your editing settings. If needed, just go back to this, add a link again, and make adjustment to the text, link, and style. Now, of course, once you're done, like I said, click on save to apply the CTA to your video. After saving your video, you can now share your video by clicking on the share button that is here, and click on the link by copying the link and sharing with as many people as you want to. So by following the steps, you can easily direct your viewers to take action based on the CTA you have added to your Loom video. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.